The company designs and builds production lines and software. Their latest venture is a plant to assemble components for the 3 Series BMW. It's their 4th assembly line to China.
It fully assembles the differential, managing all the facilities and also data logging every single nut and bolt and every measurable criteria for the differential, ensuring our customer a perfect differential every time.
The company started out with 3 employees in 1989. Today, there are 103. Its strength, experience in the technological needs of an emerging economy, and its strength, they hope, will help grow the province.
I believe it means to the region that Port Elizabeth, the Eastern Cape, is a viable solution, a destination for any investment, overseas investment, because we have the technology here. We have an extremely large talent base for this type of production facility. This not only for automotive, but general industry at large.
The plant will be packed into 8 containers and shipped to China later this week. Karen van Rooyen, Business News, Port Elizabeth.